Hey everyone! Welcome back to BytePhase. In this quick video, we'll walk you through how to create a new employee profile in your system. Let's dive in. Start by clicking on the Employee tab from the left-hand menu. To create a new employee, click the plus button at the top right corner. In the Employee Information section, select the employee role, enter the employee name, add a display name, optional, enter the email ID and mobile number. Optionally add a phone number, enter the Aadhaar number, select gender and add the PAN card tax number. Select the date of birth. You can also fill in the address details if needed. Enter the address line. Select the region or state. Select the city or town. Add postal or zip code. Want to store bank details? No problem. Enter account name and bank name. Add branch name. Add account number and IFSC code. Once everything is filled, click the Create button at the top right corner. An activation link will be automatically sent to the employee via email and SMS, so they can log in and get started. And that's how easy it is to add a new employee in BytePhase. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more repair business tips and BytePhase tutorials. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. We're here to help.